Alright, package in the house. Figured I'd do a quick unboxing. Let's see what it is. It's saying from overseas, so shout out to that. Probably from China, right? Also shout out to the Spyderco Parrot 3. She's alright. Not too impressed with her. I think that they should lower the price. But that's neither here or there, so I'm sure you don't care. So let's get right into this. Rah! Oh, skipped it. There's a bubble here. Oh, just knocked it. And, oh, there it is. Check that out. Check that out. So, here is going to have all kinds of games in here. I think there was like 33 games in this little cartridge. And I didn't ask for blue. Man, you know, you gotta love when people follow directions. Speaking of directions, I just looked on my phone. I said for the guy to ship out a certain item as soon as possible because it is needed here in the household, and I pay extra for the shipping. Well, the guy is just a total jerk and not doing so. But anyways, that's a whole nother story. But this story here, I didn't ask for blue, so not too happy with that. So yeah. Okay, so like I said, I think there's about 33 games in here. I don't like the little dot over here either. You could at least shave that off before applying the sticker. And up here as well, guys. Man, some people just do sloppy work. Anyways, hopefully it works. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick unboxing. You win some, you lose some. In this case, who knows? I'll probably be losing in all the games as well. I think it's all generic shit. There's a few titles in here. Basically, what I purchased this for was to get the Japanese Mario 2 version. So, shout out to that if it is in here. So, thanks again. I'm out of here. I'm not even going to give any shout outs to you whistleblowers out there. So, but I am going to give a shout out to all my new subs, and another shout out to my existing subs, especially the DMKusa crew. Alright, I just turned on this damn thing. Hey, don't mind this fan over here. I'll shut it off just for the video. But yeah, check out this title. Look at this screenshot here. Don't look too impressive. I guess you press the down arrow, go to your games. Now, I don't know what the hell is it. Here it is. This is the one. This is the game I purchased this for. Let's see if it is the damn game. Well, so far, so good. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Yep, this is it. Well, so far, so good. What you're seeing is the camera acting up, making that little drop there, right there. That's interesting. But anyways, I'll let you know how I make out with this. So I've been messing around with this cartridge. It actually has, 36 games. Actually, no, I lied. 45. So 45 games. And I do know that I do like this one here, number 22. That is the Japanese version for Mario 2, which is not remade. All these other ones are just like replicas of other games. So let's say, let's see. I'll go here. So this is like basically Mario 1. See? It's just night mode. And it has these weird little guys that come out. You see them right there. Alright, here's another one. I can't go through all of them, guys, but it seems like it's a Metroid / Mario game. Pretty interesting. Here's the screenshot. See that? Super Mario Bros. But I guess you're fucking Metroid. Check it out. It's crazy. Obviously I can't do this one hand because I'm holding this damn camera. But yeah. Kind of crazy. Let's see if I can get on here real quick. Alright, so I got up there walking on the bubbles. If you played Metroid, you can see that's pretty familiar. Also those guys too. So yeah, a Mario / Metroid version. As you see, just all kinds of wacky ideas on this cartridge. So it is what it is. If you're into that type of thing, then I give it a certified go on my books. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. You guys and gals have a good one. I'm out of here. I'm gonna play a few little more games here, and then I get back to business here at the shop. Yeah. Alright, one more thing. As you can see, I'm bigger. Check this out. How cool is that? Fireballs go straight. So I thought that was pretty wild. See that? Alright. I'm out of here this time for good. Cheers.